Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk everything related to managing money. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most crucial aspects of retirement planning. Yes, you read in the title, 401k. We'll be covering everything from what it is, its benefits, how to get started, where to use the money, and what happens when you want to withdraw it. But before we dive into that, let me tell you a quick story. Meet John, a 25-year-old who has just got his first job. John is really excited to work, start earning and saving money. But like many young adults, John has no idea where to begin when it comes to saving for retirement. He was hesitant and thought retirement was too far away to think about. However, one fine day, John stumbled upon the importance of 401k and decided to invest in it. And now, fast forward to 40 years later, John retired a millionaire and had the financial freedom to live the life he always wanted. Now, this is the power of 401k, and it is essential to understand why it's crucial to start saving for retirement as early as possible. Let's start with what is 401k. 401k is a retirement savings plan that allows you to invest a portion of your salary in a tax-deferred account. It is a long-term investment where you contribute money from your paycheck and your employer may also match your contributions up to a certain percentage. The money grows tax-free until you withdraw it during retirement. There are numerous benefits of 401k. Firstly, it's an excellent way to save for retirement and allows you to take advantage of compounding interest. Secondly, it is tax deferred, which means you do not pay taxes on money you contribute until you withdraw it during retirement. Thirdly, many employers offer matching contributions, which is like free money for your retirement. Lastly, 401k plans are portable, which means you can take them with you even if you change jobs. Really, getting started with 401k plan is easy. First, you want to check with your employer if they offer a 401k plan. If they do, ask for plan details including contribution limits, matching percentages, and investment options. What if your employer doesn't offer a 401k plan? You can open one through a financial institution. The contribution limit for 2023 is 22.5k, and if you're over 50 years, you can contribute an additional 7.5k as a catch-up contribution. So now let's discuss where to use 401k money. Money in 401k can be used in retirement for expenses such as housing, healthcare, and general living expenses. It is essential to plan ahead and estimate how much you'll need to retire comfortably. So what happens when you want to withdraw your money? Withdrawing money from 401k plan before you reach the age of 59.5 may result in penalties and taxes. If you want to withdraw the money after the age of 59.5, you can withdraw it penalty free, but you still need to pay taxes on the amount you withdraw. Well, there are some exceptions to the penalty rule, such as if you become disabled or use the money for specific expenses such as buying a first home. In conclusion, 401k is a crucial aspect of retirement planning. You know, it's never too early to start saving for retirement, and 401k is an excellent way to do it, where you get free money from your employer. Where you first need to check with the employer if they offer a 401k plan, and if they do, please do take advantage of it. And even if they don't, open one through a financial institution, because anyways it's beneficial for you. And finally, be aware of the rules and penalties regarding withdrawing money from a 401k plan. Withdrawing money from 401k plan before the age of 59.5 is not recommended, as it can result in 10% penalty on top of the taxes that you'll need to pay. Therefore, it's crucial to plan ahead, and I recommend you to avoid withdrawing the money from a 401k plan before the appropriate age unless it's necessary. Additionally, if you change jobs, make sure to transfer your 401k plan to a new employer's plan or IRA to avoid any potential penalties or taxes. In summary, starting a 401k plan early and contributing regularly can help you reach your retirement goal and achieve financial security. And as I always say, it's an interesting way to take advantage of compounding interest, reduce taxes, and get matching contributions from your employer. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more financial content. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.